Do you want to remove your Instagram profile picture? You can remove profile photo from Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To remove your Instagram profile picture, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button just below your bio and username. A new screen will appear. Tap on the Change Profile Picture below your current profile picture. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From the list of options, tap on the Delete option. Now, your Instagram profile picture will be removed and replaced with the default gray avatar.